Hey everybody, today we're gonna be working on this board. This is a X756UX from Asus, and this one is not turning on, so let's connect our power supply and see what it does. It's taking 8 milliamps and now reacting to power button. Let's check if the main voltage rail is present. It is, 19 volt is present, everything is fine. I'm gonna skip all the measurements on this board. I noticed only one thing, which is not normal. This coil over here has 1.7 ohms, which is not normal, which is too low. This transistor seems to be faulty as well, so we have to remove this transistor and see if we still have a short. Let's do that. Okay. Something like this. Right, this transistor is removed. We have to cool down the board a little bit and measure again our resistance. Right, so the board is cold enough right now to make the measurements again, and we still have the same readings. So that means only we can inject some voltage on the drain of this MOSFET, which connects to this coil, and see what's getting hot. Let's switch our power supply to 1 volt and set to 1 amp. And yeah. Right, so now I have to prepare my thermal camera. Right, so it's clearly to see right now that the chipset is getting hot, and that's not a good sign. So very bad news for the customer. The CPU is dead, which is very sad. Right, I'm gonna finish the video right here and see you in the next one.